Hey guys, this is George, StreetCulture.US. Yeah, so what are we doing today? I got a part here from Hasport. This is the left-hand block bracket for your B Series. If you're doing a B Series swap in your 92 to 95 Civic or even in a 96 to 2000, and you don't like the look of that ugly mount that goes between the timing side of the engine, the timing belt, then this is your answer here. So let's take a look at this and get into it, shall we? All right, so this part came from JPH USA. Got a really cool sticker here from JHP USA. So really awesome. I like the sticker. I like the design of it, honestly. JHPUSA.com. It's pretty cool. Dream it, build it, race it. It's funny because I say dream it, build it, drive it. But these guys are dream it, build it, drive it, race it. So they've taken it to the next level. So packaging came in an exterior box. It's a really big box right here, which is cool. And it had this box on the inside has the part number, etc. There you go. And let's get into it. Let's see here. Oh, got my keys. Oh, we can get those later. Okay, so it's packaged pretty good. Let's set that aside. Wrapped up pretty good here in paper. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it might be like, wow, I guess they really don't want this to get nicked up. Thought they might put it in bubble wrap, but that's okay. All right, so it's kind of hard to make a 10-minute video on this, guys, but let's see if we can do it. Hit that algorithm on YouTube. All right, so this is just a solid piece, guys. It does not come with any bolts or anything like that. But let's see what it does come with. So this will mount on the, let's see if I can get a white paper on the back here so you can see the holes. There we go. There's the holes on the inside. Those 3 holes right there will bolt to your engine. And then you have 2 holes here that will go to your motor mount on the side that goes to your engine or to your framing. So you can't really see it, but they have it engraved in here that it's Hasport. It's pretty cool. It says made in the USA, which is pretty phenomenal. This is the Black Series, guys. This has the part number on it on this end. So yeah, you could actually, if you wanted to, just put like a little paint pen on there and kind of highlight the number. This is a non-warranted part. It is aluminum or aluminum, depending on where you're from. And it's they say it's as strong as the steel. I'm not sure, guys. Don't quote me on this. But it looks much thicker than the steel component because it is aluminum. But anyway, like this area here, which you can barely see, it's kind of hard to see here, guys, and I apologize for the lighting, but this piece here, you wouldn't have this on the steel piece because it's pretty solid, but because it's aluminum, but because you have it on here, it's made out of, aluminum, so therefore they had to put added thickness and support, which spreads out to the rest of the part. The other thing is vibration. I am kind of curious. So even though I'm completely replacing the component, I'm still going to keep that steel one because I don't know how this is going to work. Now, I'm not running big amounts of horsepower. My car is not meant for drag strip. My car is actually meant for road course and just spirited driving in Mexico streets. But I am kind of curious how vibration will affect this, if it'll affect it at all. I don't think it will, but you never know. So yeah, let's look at the machining part of it. It's very smooth, but also sharp. On the edges here, they are very, very sharp. This is definitely some serious quality. The metal itself is, I don't see any cracks, any flaws in it, any nicks, nothing. I see nothing. So, and you expect that from Hasport. Hasport's been in the game for a long time too. I've talked in previous videos or spoken in previous videos about Skunk 2, and they've been in the game as well. Hasport's been around equally as long, if not longer, and they are just one of the top names in the game, always have been, for motor mounts as well as any accessories to accompany that. And it's definitely a show here. This part, you could tell this comes from years of development, testing, usage, and you can see it reflects in the design. Everything that I'm looking at here It's I'm putting the white paper in front, guys, so you can see it. But yeah, this part is really nice. I'm not gonna lie, with the black shirt I'm wearing, this kind of blends and bleeds out. But overall, it's a great part. I think you're going to be very satisfied. I think that bolting it onto the engine, in collaboration with some of the previous components from Skunk 2 that I showed you that were also in black, it'll contrast that silver aluminum color of the block very nicely. It also, like I said, when you're building an engine, you want it to look professional. It's a reflection of your design, of your build in your head. But if you're looking for something that's professional, that's serious, then these black components are the way to go. Like I said, off of the aluminum block, the head, and whatever valve cover you decide to run, this is going to look very nice, especially if you couple this with the Skunk 2 Black Series parts that I mentioned earlier in videos. But yeah, this is going to definitely take you up a level. So it gets rid of all that rust that you have in there. The metal components, the steel components, they tend to rust. Even if you try to keep them clean or you paint them, they end up rusting. This coating on the aluminum will help protect it, and you won't have that corrosion, especially if the car is well kept. Like you're cleaning it constantly, it's indoors, you don't have to worry about it. Even with cars sitting inside your garage, steel, that condensation has the risk of rusting out the component, or at least making it look kind of shitty instead of snazzy. Pardon my language. Shitey instead of shazzy. So yeah, this is going to be a great part. You couple it with all the other parts, you're going to have an engine bay that looks absolutely great. So yeah, the box it came in protected it all the way here, which is great. They got paper inside here, paper on the package. And then you saw as I unwrapped it, paper around there. There's no booklet with this, guys, or anything like that. It's really self-explanatory. You have 3 bolts that go into the block here and here. You have the 2 that once you mount it up, you'll have the 2 there that go to your motor mount. Whether you're running polyurethane or rubber, I definitely say polyurethane all day, but yeah, you can run whatever you want. But yeah, this is going to be a great piece to make that transition from your motor mounts to the engine in between. It'll also look really nice if you have the timing belt exposed and you have a Gates blue belt running behind the black here. It just pops out really nice. So this will really clean up the engine bay on that side and make that contrast from the engine to the engine wall. I'm sorry, to the engine bay wall flawless. So especially if you do the motor mounts in black, which we may or may have not ordered those. So it depends on you guys. So up or down. But yeah. Anyway, great part, great quality, and it's going to look great inside the engine bay as an accessory to the motor mounts. So yeah, definitely liking this sticker here too, guys. I'm liking this sticker a lot. I can't wait to put this up on this. Some people put it on their cars, and it's cool and everything. It advertises. To me, it just reels in police officers because they know you did something to the car that's not OEM. But if you're going to the track and stuff, sure, by all means, throw it on the car. Toolboxes, that's another great place for this. And yeah, I look forward to smacking this up on there. I really like the red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. American made. So I like that they're putting that on there, and it looks like in a really cool design. So it looks like sharp, you know? It looks professional. It looks like elite and chic. I really like it. I think they did a good job with their logo. What do you think, guys? I think it's nice. I'm big on American quality and bringing jobs to America because I'm also a former active duty soldier. That's also why I incorporated the red, white, and blue into the Street Culture logo. And I put the stars in the top part of the C. So you guys can check that out on the Instagram and on the YouTube channel and TikTok. So yeah, I really like the red, white, and blue. So great sticker. And it's a nice size too. It's not like a small sticker. This is just a small component. It's really not that big, but I like that they sent this. It's probably a 2x8, and that's a nice size for your toolbox. It's not too big. It's not too small where you can't see it. It's really cool. It's also nice for your quarter window. So this is a great compliment to this part. So yeah, it lets people know that you got some freaking cool parts ordered from JHP USA. So yeah, guys, remember, if you like the videos, to make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Yeah, and the more you guys subscribe, the more I can bring these videos to you, and the more things we're going to do for you guys and the street culture scene. So, guys, I need your help. Remember to smash it. Tell your friends about us. And yeah, I'm going to get off of here, guys, and I got work to do. So I'll be seeing you. Make sure you watch and make sure you subscribe. All right.